Hello and welcome back to my channel where we talk about outdoor adventures and outdoor gear. This month we have SCOUTbox, Scouts for Scouts. This is June of 2023. Got a bunch of cards here on the top, so let's go. This is Recharge in the Summer Sun. So they've got a bunch of stuff. They have some coupons for stuff I'm sure that is inside, as well as how to properly apply sunscreen, which is always helpful. So let's see, the first thing I run into is, looks to be a cup. So this has a reusable plastic straw. Do it, drink me, with a glass and bamboo lid, which means I probably won't take this outside. But this is a SCOUTbox water tumbler, 17.5 ounce glass bottle, silicone sleeve, bamboo lid, polyethylene straw, dishwasher safe, please hand wash the lid. So, and this has a thing on the bottom to keep it from coming all the way out. So, slide it through the bottom. There you go. That's the first item. As always, you'll see it comes with all this fun fire starting material to also help keep it packed nice and straight. So, next items up are hydrating refreshers. These tasty electrolyte drink mixes are a great way to heat the summer heat. This one is strawberry pineapple and cherry pomegranate. Honestly, some of the best flavors I've had in a while. Let's see if these have any other information here in the back. You can read if you like. Dump it in some water, mix it up. Standard hydration mixes. So the next thing is mineral sunscreen by Stream to Sea. SPF 45, kid approved for pediatric use, patent pending, water use. Zinc oxide is its active ingredient. Liberally apply 15 minutes prior, 80 minutes basically after sweating or swimming, or at least every 2 hours. Now, I think the next item here is a Realtree 4000 milliamp hour sun bank. So this is IPX4 waterproof, solar powered, pre-charged, has the ability to use USB as well. Got a carabiner clip. Let's see if the back has any other information. Provides 2 full charges to your devices as long as they're under 2000 milliamps. And it's got an LED indicator for, I'm not sure if that's power available or if it's just letting me know it's getting light. So there's that. And then there appears to be one more item here in the box. And that is a pair of sunshades by Elise. These are a pair of matte black shades. Standard nice pair of sunglasses. So, I'm on. These actually have a decent fit to my face, and not all sunglasses do. So let's go through it again. We have the Elise Sunnies. We have the Realtree Solar Power Bank. We have the Hydrate Hydration Mix. We have the Stream to Sea Mineral Sun. And then we have a glass water tumbler. So if you'd like to find out more, please look up SCOUTbox If you found this information useful, please consider liking, subscribing to our channel, and sharing this video with a friend. Also, if you've ever considered SCOUTbox, consider doing so for that youth who is interested in the outdoors, or that Scouts, BSA, or Cub Scout in your life. And until next time, have a great day.